Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off notification in Google Chrome on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Google Chrome on your device. Okay, after that here you can tap on menu button in the upper right corner, and then you can select settings option. Okay, and then please scroll down, and then you can click site settings. Okay, after that here you can select notification. And then to disable the notification, you can turn it off like this. Okay, and then for the second step, you can long press on the app like this. Okay, and then you can tap App Info. After that, here you can click on Notification, and then turn it off like this. Okay, and then the notification in your Google Chrome is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off notification in Google Chrome on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.